Hello everyone, Namaste. This is Dr. Aparna and welcome to yet another episode of Tea Time and Gossip with me. क्या आपको भी डॉक्टर ने गॉल ब्लैडर रिमूव करने की रिकमेंडेशन दी है या आप अपना गॉल ब्लैडर ऑलरेडी पहले रिमूव करवा चुके हैं? ठीक है, गॉल ब्लैडर को क्यों रिमूव करवाना चाहिए और क्या ये वाइज डिसीजन है? और डू वी हैव येट अनदर ट्रीटमेंट मोडालिटीज इन विच we can reverse the gallbladder issues and save our gallbladder and to get back our health on track. So today in this episode of Tea Time and Gossip, we are going to talk about everything about the gallbladder and why is it important to retain the gallbladder and to improve its functioning. तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं and please subscribe and share this episode, this channel with your friends and family and please subscribe. So gallbladder is basically a very small pear-shaped organ which is located just beneath your liver. Fine. So लिवर में से बाइल सिक्रीट होता है. बाइल क्या होता है? बाइल वो एक डाइजेस्टिव फ्लूइड है जो कि फैट्स को डाइजेस्ट करने में हेल्प करता है. तो लिवर से आपका बाइल सिक्रीट हुआ और वो स्टोर होता है, कंसंट्रेट होता है जाके गॉल ब्लैडर में. So gallbladder is very important for storing and concentrating this bile which is very important for the digestion of your fats. फिर ये bile gallbladder से निकल करके small intestine में जाता है जहाँ पे fats का digestion होता है. Now, what is this bile made of? Bile is made up of cholesterols. So excess cholesterol is also deposited in the bile fluid. Then it is also having bilirubin, which is the breakdown product of the hemoglobin. It is also having bile salts. Fine. So why do we get gallbladder inflammation or infection or a stone formation? That is because when there is excess of cholesterol in the body, then that excess cholesterol will be deposited in your bile, further leading to concentration and stone formation and inflammation. Now, if there is excess bilirubin, that will also lead to gallbladder inflammation, infection, or the stone formations. Now, why do we get excess bilirubin? Now, this can happen in the liver diseases, if your body is having certain infections, or if there is a more breakdown of the RBCs, which can lead to further gallbladder inflammation, infections, or the stone formations. Another reason can be if the gallbladder itself is not able to completely remove this biles from them and they are being left out in the gallbladder itself. So it will become much more concentrated, which will further lead to formation of the stones. Then if your diet is having more of the processed foods, high bad fats, that is more of LDL, VLDL, triglycerides being more, and the low fiber in the diet, this will also lead to the formation of the gallstones, inflammation, infections. Then hormonal imbalances in the females especially can lead to the gallbladder stone formation or the gallbladder health issues. If your body is having high estrogen levels, which can happen during pregnancies, or if you are undergoing any of the hormonal therapies, or you are taking any of the oral contraceptive, or you are overweight, you are having a lot of fat deposition around your belly, then this belly fat also releases a lot of estrogen. That high estrogen can also increase your cholesterol, which will increase your cholesterol in the bile, leading to gallbladder health issues. Then high progesterone can also lead to slow gallbladder emptying. So the bile will not be secreted completely from the gallbladder. The left out bile can further lead to gallstone formation, increasing inflammation and becoming more prone for infections. Then people who are diabetic and are not managing their blood sugar levels properly, there is high blood sugar level, high insulin resistance. This can also alter the bile composition, leading to the gallstone formation, inflammations, and infections. So these were some of the reasons which can lead to the gallbladder stone, inflammation, and infections. Now, when this happens, the fat digestion will not be happening properly because bile is the digestive fluid which is needed for the fat to be digested properly. So, when you are having fatty foods include your nuts, your seeds, your non-veg items, like if you're having chicken, if you're having mutton, if you're having fishes, eggs, oils, ghee, high fat milks. So these can lead to your digestion issues, leading to a lot of bloating, acidity, gas reflux. Why? Because it is not getting properly digested. Even fats are needed for the absorption of your fat soluble vitamins, that is A, D, E, K. So if the fat is missing in the body, these vitamins will not be absorbed properly, ultimately leading to the insufficiencies or deficiencies. So it is very important for the people who are suffering with the gallbladder issues that please take vitamin A, D, E, K in the form of supplements now and then, so that the insufficiencies or the deficiencies can be monitored. Now, what to do if you are facing any of the gallbladder issues? So, there are many other treatment modalities which can help you to get out of this problem rather than get your gallstone removed and suffer from these fat digestion issues for the lifetime. Okay, now talking about the treatment modalities. So, Ayurveda, homeopathy, functional medicine. These are the alternative treatment modalities which are very successful and efficient in removing the gallbladder issues. So, number one, get yourself tested. Blood test, a comprehensive blood test can be done to check the root cause of your problem, and hence it can be handled accordingly. Number two, talking about the diet, please take an anti-inflammatory diet so that the inflammation can be reduced. So anti-inflammatory diet basically includes removing the wheat from your diet. Number two, removing white rice from your diet. And number three, removing the milk or milk-based products. So a replacement of wheat will be ज्वार, बाजरा, रागी, that is basically मोटे अनाज और millets. ठीक है, व्हाइट राइस को आप रिप्लेस कर दीजिए रेड राइस, ब्राउन राइस या मिलेट से, ओवरनाइट सोक करके फिर अगले दिन बना लीजिए. मिल्क बेस्ड प्रोडक्ट्स को बिल्कुल रिमूव कर दें, उसकी जगह पे आप वेगन मिल्क इंट्रोड्यूस कर सकते हैं, जैसे कोकोनट मिल्क हो गया, आलमंड मिल्क हो गया. ठीक है, देन हैव wholesome diet. Wholesome diet means whole grains. Then avoid having or totally stop having processed foods in any form. हमको पता नहीं रहता और हम डेली रूटीन में ढेर सारा processed foods अपनी डाइट पे इंक्लूड कर रहे होते. And the best example for this is daily we are taking either namkeen or we are taking biscuits or cookies with our daily tea intake. ठीक है, so हमें इसको stop करना है. Apart from this, taking basic vitamins and minerals in our diet and through our supplements also. Fluid intake बढ़ाना है, water intake बढ़ाना है, soup intake बढ़ाना है, detox juice लेना है. Along with this, taking herbal supplements for 3 to 6 months under the recommendations of a functional medicine expert will help in reversing a lot of your health issues. So this was all about gallbladder importance and what happens if you are getting removed your gallbladder from the body. So I hope this was informative and educative, and please share this episode with all your friends and family who are suffering with the gallbladder issues and have been recommended by the doctor to get the gallbladder removed. Maybe you are helping them out. चलिए फिर मिलते हैं another episode of Tea Time and Gossip, and please subscribe and share.